Have you ever wondered how airplane and rocket engines are made? Maybe you've wondered who creates the machines that process lumber, or the computer chips that power your laptop. From agriculture to aerospace, machinists make the parts that make our world move. A machinist is a trained professional that operates many different machine tools, such as mills and lathes, to produce the high-precision parts that go into almost everything around us. With the Machine Tool Technology program at Lynn Benton Community College, you can start your career as a machinist in as little as 1 year. With either the Machine Tool Technology 1-year certificate or the 1-year CNC Machinist certificate, you'll learn the skills needed for an entry-level position at a machine shop making a good wage and with reliable employment. Or advance your career even further with the 2-year Associate of Applied Science degree, which gives you a broader skill set and opens more doors into the world of machining and manufacturing. You will get hands-on experience in our recently updated machine shop, which includes industry-standard CNC machines and one-on-one instruction from some of the best instructors in the industry.
I'm Derek Morris, and I'm an instructor in the Machine Tool Technology program at Lynn Benton Community College. I got into machining because I wanted an active job, a job where I could make something tangible. My previous job, I was a software engineer, and while I love computers, I really hated that at the end of the day, all I had made was something virtual. As a machinist, at the end of the day, I get to look at something and say, I made that. One of the great things about being a machinist is there's so many options to choose from. If you like a challenge, if you want change every single day, you can find work at a job shop and do something different every day. If you really like routine, if you want to know what you're going to be doing when you go into work each day, you can find a job at a large manufacturer and really get into your groove making the same thing over and over. One of the best things about the Machine Tool program here at LB is we teach a broad skill set, so you can really chart your own path and choose what you want to do.
During your lab, you'll learn skills such as operation and setup of manual mills and lathes, setup, operation, and programming of CNC mills and lathes, print reading, precision measurement, CAD systems, CAM systems, G&M code, and much, much more. Demand for machinists is expected to grow in the next 10 years, and thanks to our working relationships with local industry leaders, students who complete LBCC's Machine Tool Technology program have a high rate of employment upon graduation.
My name is Gabriel Gonzalez, and I am a machinist at King Machine. I graduated the LBCC Machine Tool program in 2019. Got a job as a machinist about a month after I graduated. Originally, I wanted to be an engineer, but I didn't want to spend all day in front of a computer. I love working with my hands, being able to start the day with a piece of metal and end the day with a finished part that I can deliver to a customer. The Machine Tool program gave me a great foundation for my career.
If you like making things, if you like fixing things, if you have a good eye for detail and are ready to learn something new, I really encourage you to come check out our program, tour our shop, check out our classes in action, and see if machining might be for you.